Hey, I want to talk to you today about these lip balms that are made with coconut oil and vitamin E. Now, this is a pack of 60, and they come in 12 different flavors. And I just needed them for an event, so this was a perfect pack. If you're anything like me, you can never have too many lip balms. You put them in your purse, you put them in your desk, your car, everywhere you're at, you'll always have a lip balm or two in them. And I'll tell you, these feel so nice. They go on really smooth and they don't have a bad taste to them at all, and they're not dry. These feel quite nice on your lips. And I just think they are an essential part of any woman's purse. And that's just my honest opinion.